guys, how are you? Long time no vlog. I hope okay lang kayong lahat. Andito ngayon ako sa neighborhood namin and naglalakad ako. I just wanted to show you guys all the pretty houses at saka yung mga decorations nila. Like this one. Ang ganda, no? Minsan iniisip ko magkano kaya yung electric bill ng bahay na to. Anyways guys, ito yung front nila, oh. Ang ganda. Very pretty. Ayan guys yung front nila, no? Usually itong street na to guys, after, I think before Thanksgiving, nagde-decorate na sila eh. Kasi cul-de-sac to, and I think may mga usapan yata lahat na nakatira dito na lahat kayo magde-decorate. Kasi almost all the houses here, may decoration sila. Yung iba, mas marami kaysa sa iba, pero almost all the houses nagde-decorate. Like this one. And that one. Guys, tingnan niyo itong isang house ito. Very pretty. Ang ganda ng decorations nila, oh. Sa area niyo ba, may mga nagde-decorate din na ganito, ka-elaborate? Austin! Ang tagal na namin nag-check out ng mga decorations dito sa street na to. Siguro more than 20 years na. Ever since Austin and I started dating. No, Austin, ano? So, ayan yung itsura niya, guys, oh. Cul-de-sac. Ito, ang laki ng, polar bear. And look at the big, Christmas light bulbs. Ang dami nilang nilalabas dito na decorations. Buti hindi ninanakaw. Especially that first house na I showed you guys. So there's more houses here. I think, let me see, which house dito is Filipino owned? I think this one. I think Filipino nakatira dito. Any Austin? I don't know which one is the Filipino house here. So, ayan. So, ano nang balita sa inyo? Ano nang mga stories? Ready na ba kayo for Christmas? Yung house namin, ready na. Pero, tawag dito. We're just busy with work. Kasi next month, we're going to the Philippines na. Again. Ayan guys, oh. Oh, look at this one. Brain trees. So pretty. And then there's this other house here. Ito, this one. Meron pang Santa. Naginginig din yung penguin. So this one is a really pretty house then. And then there's the Santa that's dancing right there. It's a pretty house. There's Austin. Guys, oh, kasi I think trash day nila bukas. They're giving away a free freezer. Freezer chest. Ayan yung brand, oh. It's free! Minsan, it's amazing dito, no? Hindi ko mga gamit, mga bago pa, and mga extra gamit nila. Pag they don't, dito sa States kasi ginagawa rin namin yun, kahit na pwede mo pang gamitin, pero kung wala ka ng room, usually pag trash day, nilalabas na lang namin, so whoever wants it, kinukuha nila. Ayan, no? So minsan guys, pag mga trash day, makikita mo sa labas mga refrigerator na mga double doors that's still working and they're giving it away for free. Washer and dryer. Mga dining table, sofa, TV. Di ba Austin dito na pag trash day, ang daming nilalabas ng mga gamit na like that one is a freezer. It's still, I'm sure it's still working. But they're giving it away. Kasi kesa naman sa itambak mo, di ba? Masisira lang na hindi naman nagagamit. Yan. And guys, we're almost done sa street na to. Nasa end na tayo ng cul-de-sac. So maganda rin yung decorations nila.
You're right. Something is missing. What? I've got the beard.
Nightmare Before Christmas. Ma-effort din tong family na to.
Come on, hero.
So let's go ahead and see what else they have. Galing guys, oh. Even the garage. And across the street, I'm not sure if you can see it. Yan ang pinakamatindi sa lahat. But I'm not gonna go there. Pero, so anyways, I just wanted to show you the houses dito sa area namin na talagang grabe mag-decorate. Pero mas marami pang mga streets dito na nagde-decorate din ng bongga. Anyways guys, thank you very much for watching. I just wanted to show you all yung area dito na nagde-decorate for Christmas. I hope okay lang kayong lahat. And again, Christmas is in 2 weeks. And I just want to say I hope all your Christmas wishes come true. And thank you very much for watching and for saying hello. Na-appreciate ko lahat. And again, I just came by here. Sabi ko para mapakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng mga bahay dito na nagde-decorate. Anyways, you guys take care. Till next time. Bye.